Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix ChatGPT using too much storage. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your settings. So inside settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and just like that, inside here, search for ChatGPT. Just like so, this will show you how much space the app is using and whether it's real culprit behind your storage issue or not. After that, you can simply tap onto it, then tap on Upload app, then tap onto it one more time. This removes temporary files that builds up over time. Don't worry, this won't erase your conversation, history, or personal settings. It just cleans out clutter. After that, head back to your home screen, open up ChatGPT, and just like that, go through your saved or pinned conversation and delete anything you no longer need. Old chats can add up and take surprising amount of space, especially if they contain image or long transcript. After that, head back to your home screen and make sure you are running the latest version of ChatGPT. Open up your App Store and then in the search bar, simply search for ChatGPT. Once you search for it, tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. If you have tried everything and the app is still using too much storage, the last step is simply uninstall the app and reinstall again. This wipes old leftover data that sometimes sticks around even after updates. That's it. Follow these steps and ChatGPT app should now stop hogging your device storage. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.